In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a black or blank screen in CapCut. This is perfect when you want a quick pause between shots, a moment for a beat to land, or a clean transition point. I'll show you two simple ways to do it, and you can pick the one that feels most natural for your workflow. Let's start with the situation you'll likely encounter. You have two clips on your timeline, and you want a gap between them. When you try to pull them apart, they snap right back together. That's because snapping is enabled on the main track. To create a blank space, go to the top right of the timeline and turn off main track magnet. With that toggled off, the clips won't auto snap. Now click and drag one of the clips to the right, and you'll see a visible space appear between them. That empty area is your blank or black screen. You can make it as short or as long as you need by dragging the clip's position. A quick tip: zoom into your timeline for finer control over the duration. And once you're happy with the gap, you can always turn main track magnet back on to restore snapping for future edits. If you prefer not to toggle snapping, there's an alternative. Click, hold, and drag one of the clips up into an overlay layer, also known as another track, above the main one. By moving that clip off the base track, you can leave open space on the main track wherever you want the pause. That open space will play as a black screen. Position the overlay clip so it doesn't cover the time where you want black to appear. Leaving the main track empty at that moment ensures you see a blank screen rather than any overlaid content. This method is handy if you want to keep snapping behavior on the main track while still carving out a clean gap. Whichever method you use, preview the timeline by moving the playhead across the gap to confirm the length feels right. Remember, in CapCut, an empty section on the main track shows as black in both the preview and your final export, so you don't need to add anything extra for a simple blank screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.